How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device, and now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will see the option for linked devices in the menu. So tap on the linked devices option you see there, and in this particular interface you will be able to view all the devices that you have linked your WhatsApp account to. So tap on the device that you want to unlink, and you will be required to enter your biometrics, that is your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode. Once entered, you will see the option for log out, so tap on the log out option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on log out again, and with this the device will be unlinked, as you can see here. So this was about how you can unlink WhatsApp from other devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.